Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Joby Aviation, ticker symbol JOBY. It's a very short video. I just want to bring you some news just out a few minutes ago. If you are an investor in Joby Aviation, you're going to like this news. Things are moving in the right direction for you. This has just come out. Thank you, John Gran, for sending this in. John, I really do appreciate this. Just a few moments ago, we've got the news. Joby Aviation progresses to next phase of aircraft flight test program. We like it. We like it. Santa Cruz, California business Joby Aviation, a company developing electric air taxis for commercial passenger service, today announced it has successfully completed its pre-production flight test program and is now focused on the next phase of flight testing, during which the company will use its production prototype aircraft to prepare for upcoming credit flight testing. Joby first began flying full-scale pre-production prototype aircraft more than 4 years ago, and the company's two pre-production aircraft subsequently completed more than 1,500 flights, spanning a total distance of over 33,000 miles, including more than 100 flights with a pilot on board. The second pre-production aircraft also completed the first electric air taxi exhibition flights in New York City when it flew from the Manhattan downtown heliport over the Hudson River in November 2023. I missed that. I would have liked to have seen that. Over the course of the test program, our team has shown the world how real electric air taxis are, with tens of thousands of miles flown using today's battery technology, said Joebenn, Bevirt, founder and CEO of Joby. Our pre-production aircraft were the second full-scale generation of Joby's design, and their performance met or exceeded our predictions throughout the program, successfully achieving our targets for maximum range, speed, and a revolutionary acoustic footprint. Now, many people, I'm going to let you know now, many people have talked about this stock and saying it's not going to happen, it will never get in the air, it can't fly, and all the rest of it. I think that's a lot of nonsense, actually, quite frankly. The company would not be investing and building out the technology, which clearly works. They're testing it if it didn't actually fly. It's absolutely bonkers. But people are trying to spread that information. People do all sorts of things. People do what people do, right? No one understands it. I certainly don't. Successfully completing this rigorous test program has allowed us to proceed to ramp production with full confidence, the second of which rolled off the line at our production line in Marina, California earlier this week. Learnings from the flight test program has been invaluable to our certification program and to broader development of regulatory frameworks around electric VTOL aircraft, validating the performance, safety, and acoustics of our design, while providing insight into daily operations and maintenance. Okay, that's some history of the stock. We've been through that before. Let me focus on anything else. We know what a Joby is. You've all covered that before. That's fine. We'll leave it right there. So anyway, there you go. This is just a little update on Joby. Let's have a quick look at the chart over the last year. It is up at 17% over the last year. The one year that is, but you can see it's down at the moment. This is good news for the stock. Over the last 3 months, the stock is down. It's just starting to move up. Over the last week, it's just started to move. I mean, this news has just come out. This is hot off the press. As I'm doing this, I'll very, very quickly share with you on the screen the financials of the company. I was going to make this a very quick video, but I've changed my mind. I just want to give a bit more insight to the company. So let me just share this with you. Overvaluation 99%. It's only worth 7 cents a share. However, this is not reliable. It doesn't use DCF valuation. There's a warning here. This valuation is not useful at all. That's because of the information that we receive from Joby. The revenue, as you can see, is expected to S-curve. This is very, very good. This is where we are at the moment, December 30th, 2024, 3.2 million. But look at that jump estimated in March. We'll be getting that shortly. If anyone super chats me to cover the earnings, we can cover the earnings for it. The balance sheet, 1.3 billion in assets, 235 million in liabilities, of which there is no short-term or long-term debt. So the balance sheet is fine. If we scroll down, you will see the balance sheet, the solvency score is great. They've got plenty of money. So for those that are saying we've got no money, the business is going bankrupt, that is absolute nonsense. I hear it all the time on Reddit. I hear it all the time on StockTwits, and people tell me it doesn't fly, it's a load of rubbish, and the company have got no money, they're going bankrupt. No, you're talking rubbish. I've got a successful YouTube channel, and we are getting information out to the world. You're sitting in your bedroom talking nonsense. Go away and go back down your hole. 81% solvency score. It's not going anywhere. 23% profitability. Well, of course, it's got a low profitability score. It's investing in capital, getting the job done. It's not making any money yet. 46% is the average over the next 12 months. That's going to increase now on this news. And also this video will rank on YouTube and it will go up because people will start talking about it. You mark my words. 116%. There we go. Is the highest Wall Street target. Let's scroll down. Insiders have been selling over the last 12 months, but less and less and less. That's a trend moving down, as we can see. So that makes perfect sense. The stock was going down. Now we're going to start rallying, I would expect. This is good news for the company. I like it. There's my review. Very few people are talking about it. This was done 3 months ago. There's my review on Alpha on Alpha Spread. All my reviews make it here, and we can see here that no one's really talking about the stock. No one's aware of it. It's a hidden gem potentially. These are all much older reviews and analysis. All right. What about the sentiment over the last 90 days? 76% sentiment, 75%. 50%, nothing negative though. See, nothing negative. Nothing negative, all neutral and positive. Things are improving. What about the short interest? Do we have any short interest? 19%. 19%. So we need some volume. We need a good YouTube video. Get everyone talking about it. Positive news. We have that. We have the video. Yep, we have the video. All you got to do is share it out, like it, and give it to your friends. And things can start moving up. We like it. Good news story this morning. Fantastic. We got another new member during the making
Tech
of...
has become a member.
Thank you very much indeed. Joby Aviation. So, is this a stock that is primed to take off and make some money? I know what you all want. You all want your stock to go up to the moon. We're looking for some good news as we set off to the moon once again with a new stock. Well, it could well be. And then maybe you can print your own gold as well, or melt your own gold? I don't know. Something like that. Anyway, Joby Aviation, I want to thank John Granfor for sharing the information. I said it was going to be a short video, and then I decided to make it more. I can do that. It's my show. Click above my head. Down below, there's the rocket taking off and landing on the moon. What do you think? Until next time, over here, more in the series. Till next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.